What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video. Today we're going to look at the Blue Studio View XL. Now this phone is at Walmart. That's where I got it from for $100. So let's see what kind of decent unlocked Android phones you can get for $100. It comes with a 5.7-inch screen, 16 gigabytes of memory, 13 megapixel camera with flash, which is not bad. A 5 megapixel selfie cam, which I'm not expecting much from, but it does come with the LED flash, so can't get mad at that. Comes with an 18:9 aspect ratio, which is nice for 2018 for a $100 phone. We got a quad-core CPU, 1.3 gigahertz is what it's clocked at, so that's pretty decent. 3,000 milliamp hour battery, which should be nice on a LCD phone. And we finish it off with the Android Nougat, which shouldn't be bad. So let's check it out. It's a nice presentation for a cheap box. Run through the specs again on the back, showing the compatibility for which companies it works with. No Verizon or Sprint, which is not that good. And I know Blue makes a lot of cheap phones, and it's really unfortunate that none of them work on Verizon or Sprint in the US. That's, locking out a lot of people. But I mean, I guess it is, through the world GSM. So let's just unbox it and see what's in it. We're gonna do this all in real time, so let's try not to have, because I hate when I'm watching a video and there's a bunch of editing, and especially for unboxings, like just people want the real. Let's give them the real. So I'm struggling though. So now I know why people edit minutes and minutes out of their videos. But we just go savage on the box. Who cares? Oh, nice. I was gonna say, Blue usually puts their phones in actual boxes and not these cheap Walmart looking boxes. So here we go, an actual real Blue box. And I'm a big fan of Blue. I don't know if you've seen my video of the Vivo 11 Plus, which is in a whole different range of phones than this one is. This one's just a cheap $100 entry level. I got the other one for $250 on sale. So let's check it out. Nice little box artwork. Blue's always coming with the art. Always bringing us the art. Can't be mad at that. So the phone's in some packaging. Got the specs on the front again. Got that. I'm really interested to see how good this fingerprint sensor is and how good the screen looks. Not bad for a $100 phone. Not bad at all. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is just going to be a quick unboxing. Try to make it quick as possible. Then I'll do a little review later on. Blue is hooking us up with some headphones, which look better than a lot of cheap headphones. So can't complain about that. Headphones in the box. We got a micro USB cable. So we still living in 2010, but that's okay for a $100 unlocked phone. Books and stuff, file them. Oh, I was not expecting this. So the battery actually comes out of this one, which is nice in 2018, because a lot of phones don't do it anymore, and I'm happy to see that. We got a charger. Looks small, like an iPhone charger, so don't expect any fast charging at all, which I won't. We got a case, which is always nice. This is a little funny looking for my taste, but if you like it, I love it. So nice case it thrown in there. Sticker. Give it to the kids or the trolls. You pick. and a screen protector. So you get a lot of value for $100. And Blue's always doing this, so I think it's just a plastic one, not a glass one like they do in some of the more expensive phones. But can't be mad at that. So um, let's put the let's get this out the front. Well, some people like to hear that. Oh, already comes with a screen protector on it. I mean, it's bubbly than a mofo, but you know. Let's get the back off this thing. So right in the corner, pop the back off. Got to put the battery in there. And get a little look at that. Got your SIM card go in there. Micro SD, which is nice on a budget phone. Really, really nice. Can't be mad at that, man. I'm excited. I get excited about these budget phones, and as you can see in the background, like right now, my main phone is a Note 9, so I roll with the big dogs. But when I see a budget phone that looks and feels good and looks good, I'm down to try it. So this is Blue, Bold Like Us. I like Blue's phones. This one feels really good. It has minimal chamfered edges, you know. I'm going to take the screen protector off. Sorry, it's too bubbly for me. I don't really do screen protectors even on my really expensive phones like the Note. I just like to rock it raw. Giggity. But yeah, like I said, fingerprint sensor on the back. Really nice. Got the typical Android startup. But yeah, this is just a quick little view on the phone. We'll do a review. Just wanted to show you guys what this phone is like. Headphone jack at the top, can't be mad at that. Fingerprint sensor on the back. $100 phone. Got more on the outside than a lot of iPhones do. Shots fired. Yep. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.